Hi, and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I use Office Shapes to create artwork in Word. If you like the content of this video or any other video, please consider subscribing. Today we're going to make a glass of water. I'm going to go Insert, Shapes. We look for the cylinder, and then we go and we get another cylinder, and we're just going to copy this. Okay. So with this first one, it's going to make it fixed so it's easier to move around. We go into shape format, format shapes, second icon, into the 3D format, and we choose top bevel, make it rounded, bottom bevel, make it rounded. This will make the width 4.5. Gonna go shape fill. There's that one. Shape outline, make it gray. Like that. Okay. Material. Just choose that material to be plastic, angle 40, lighting warm. Okay, I'm gonna make this 40. Let's see. That does it for us. I think. And make it cooler. Okay. I'm gonna take the shape outline. Just gonna take that out and put the contour instead. First. Let's see what that does. Oops. Let's make it darker. Okay. Now, shape outline. Make it very thin. And I don't know if I'm gonna make it white. Maybe white. Now that should be good enough for now. And we could probably also put some gradient in there. Like that, and then go gradient, fill. I want to make it light, like a lightish, maybe lightish gray. Same with this one. Like that. Rectangular. Just for some different direction. Okay. Starting to look good. Brightness, want to brighten it up a little bit. Let's go back here. Angle this material. Is good. Lighting. I don't know. That would work. too light. That's better. That's what I want. Back to 40. I have to make it 30. Contour a little bit thicker. Let's see if the height, if I can make the height. Okay, that's good. Now the water. Shape fill. Try that. Shape outline, no outline. Let's see. Shape fill maybe a little bit lighter. Shape effects, softer edges. Like that. It's gonna go here. Bring that down. And I don't know. I'm gonna go here, add some transparency. Like that. Make it less like that. Okay. Bring it down a little bit. Change this to fixed position. Gradient fill. Okay, it changes it, always changes it. But let's go back. Let's go here. Shape fill. Gradient. Put this in the corner. Now I'm going to have to change these. Actually, get rid of that one. This one. Okay. Maybe get rid of that. Go back to this side. Do it on this side. Pull it out more, like that. And then the top part here. This is too dark. Bring it out more. I think I'm going to give it an outline. Solid line. Bring it down. Maybe even a blue. A light blue. Okay, and the width a little bit more. You can bring it in like that. And I'm just going to edit the points, bring it down a little bit more. See how that looks like. Like that. I like that better. All right. That's it. Thanks for watching.